Sixth place today in humor goes to Jose Cruz from Edmonton. Fifth place goes to Austin Jones from Wyndham. Fourth place, Carter Squires from Wyndham.
Sober as could be.
Third place goes to Lizette Garza from Murray County Central.
Oh my.
Second place goes to Jack Erickson from Murray County Central.
He's not sober.
And your champion in humor today is